Ayo and welcome back to Ayo World. Here's a quick look at the most important information you need for a trip to the Maldives in less than 3 minutes. The Republic of the Maldives is an island state in the Indian Ocean. Most hotel resorts occupy an entire island and therefore make for a unique holiday experience. The Maldives are the ideal destination for anyone looking for a calming paradise getaway. There are activities on site, but these islands are certainly most appealing to couples and generally people looking for some relaxation and luxury. Childcare and programs for children are available, but limited. The holiday resorts usually offer 3 different types of villas: beach, garden, and overwater villas. The beach and garden villas are situated on the main island, while the overwater villas and suites are built on stilts above the water and can even stretch out far into the lagoon. Whichever you choose, the beach is never too far away, as the islands are very small. One of the many things that makes a trip to the Maldives so unforgettable is the food. The resorts offer a variety of restaurants and board options for you to choose from. The most common board options are bed and breakfast, half and full board, or all-inclusive. Be sure that the board offer you choose doesn't exceed your requirements. Most resorts offer a choice of at least 2 to 3 restaurants that offer a variety of food options. The buffets tend to change their specialty each night, so you'll be able to try anything from typical Maldivian food to an Italian feast. Any trip to the Maldives simply wouldn't be complete without a snorkel or diving experience. The underwater world of the Maldives is unlike anywhere else in the world. We recommend packing your own snorkeling equipment, as renting it on site is often quite expensive. Exploring the Maldivian underwater universe is not something you'll want to miss out on. Dolphin cruises and swimming with marine life such as reef sharks are only some of the amazing water activities available in the Maldives. Make sure you check out the dive shops on site for more details. The resorts also offer various other activities. We recommend looking into your resort's special offers before arriving so that you can plan your trip around what you would like to do. So that you can fully enjoy your trip, we recommend packing enough sun cream with a high SPF factor, such as SPF 50. The sun in the Maldives is extremely strong and can be very dangerous. In addition, we would advise wearing a swim shirt or wetsuit when spending time in the water. For more detailed information and helpful tips for your visit to the Maldives, go to our website aoworld.org and watch our AO Maldives travel guide. For more AO destinations, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the Maldives.